The world's longest animal. Answer is giraffe. Which city is very famous of India for the production of grapes? Answer is Nasik. Which country is a country of white elephant? Answer is Thailand. Tired people need what? Answer is sleep. Titan is a satellite of which planet? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment box. The comment box is for you. The right answer is Saturn. The sound has faster speed than light. True or false? Answer is false. What does PhD stand for? Answer is Doctor of Philosophy. Tsunami is the word in which language? Answer is Japanese. What does NASA stand for? Answer is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. If you are watching this video till now, then like the video and subscribe the channel for the latest GK video update. Let's move towards our another question. Our another question is: United Nations UN Day is celebrated on. Answer is 24th October. Thirsty people need what? Answer is water. Bat first introduced in which country? Answer is France. WBC stand for. Answer is white blood cells. Weather related changes occur in which layer of atmosphere? Answer is troposphere. RBC stand for. Answer is red blood cells. What are horizontal and vertical imaginary lines around the earth called? Answer is longitudes and latitudes. Which bones around the chest known for the protection of heart and lungs? Answer is ribs. What are the key factors that determine the climate of an area? Answer is latitude, altitude and rainfall. What are the longest mountain ranges in the world? Answer is mid-ocean ridge. What are the two holes in the nose called? Answer is nostrils. If you are watching this video till now, then what are you waiting for? Like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's move towards our another question. Our another question is: What are the Wright brothers famous for? Answer is inventing the airplane. In which city is the Statue of Liberty? Answer is New York City. What does the outer sky look like to astronauts? Answer is black. What color is our sky? Answer is blue.